According to Wikipedia, Google Sheets Spreadsheet is a spreadsheet program included as part of the free web-based Google Docs editor suite offered by Google. This application is compatible with the Microsoft Excel file format. Well, if you usually create forms in Google, the data obtained from the form can usually be seen or available in spreadsheet form. The form or appearance of the spreadsheet is almost the same as the appearance of Microsoft Excel, only differing in some commands or navigation menus. One of the things in the spreadsheet that is also in Excel is the Gridlines. The way to delete or remove these helper lines is very easy. Open Google Spreadsheet, then select the View menu, select Show, then click Gridlines. Automatically, the gridlines in the spreadsheet will disappear. How easy, right? Hopefully this tutorial can be useful for all of you. See you in the next video.